down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to, but it's good to see you. Tell me how you doing. I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to. Anyway, and in the light of day, I didn't know this, and everything she was, I didn't show this. And in the light of day, I didn't know you, but I wanted you to stay, and I didn't want to go. I wouldn't take it away from you, no, no. I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to, but it's good to see you. Tell me how you do.
No, we're very tired. We're entering the death zone of Everest at the moment. I can feel the oxygen depleting from the atmosphere. How are you feeling, Missy?
Yeah.
Jeez, your face looks really red in this video. Don't know if you can tell, but we're very, very tired. It's horrible. But we'll pull through. Hey, Missy. This is good. So how does it feel driving on the wrong side of the road? Quickly! Quickly! So Missy, how's your first tunnel?
Yeah, cool.
Driving on the wrong side of the road. How do you feel about your third tunnel? No, wait, your second tunnel. How do you feel about your second tunnel?
So excited.
Yay!
Yay.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is a really short one. This is a really short one. How do you feel about your third tunnel? Whoa! How does it feel getting into your fourth tunnel, Missy? Eh? It's quite exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. Yeah, you finished.
Okay.
I didn't want to, but it's good to see you. Tell me how you doing. I didn't want